What?
Alright, YouTube, you feel me? Ready to mess something up.
Yeah? It's hot. It's hot. I don't know what. I got realign my.
Don't worry.
You feel me?
Don't worry.
I might realign my face.
I used to be a mechanic, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Oh, shoot.
You say you used to be a mechanic? You lost your skill?
Woo!
You lost your touch?
I ain't never lose my touch.
Right? You think so?
I know so. You feel me? Look at that. I don't think I ever lost my touch. I don't think I ever. Oh shoot.
You trying to put coolant, not coolant, AC. Trying to put AC back,
Camaro, man.
and back in this Camaro.
Show them how dirty it is.
It's not dirty. It's nice. You feel me? I raced it a couple times.
All right, MJ, we're getting ready to do this. I gotta put my AirPods on so I can hear them.
So I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is, oh yeah, check the fit before I switch. Feel me? Something slight, something cool. It's supposed to rain, but I'm supposed to car meet later. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Continue the video. Wipe out.
Glasses, people. The glasses. You gotta put the glasses on. You feel me? The glasses. Ah. Alright now. See? Next step is you gotta put this to this, you feel me? Alright. Now next step is to look on YouTube because we don't know what the hell we're doing.
YouTube is
Yeah.
number one. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna talk about how bro hit the jump right there. Bro hit the jump right there. We ain't gonna talk about it though.
How you turn this thing on, man?
This is gonna be interesting.
Alright, it's 38 PSI. That's bad.
What that mean? What?
It means it got coolant in it.
It got coolant in it. What's wrong with it?
No, it mean it got coolant. It mean it got refrigerant in it.
Now coolant. Took the jump. I don't know what Baba did, but it's supposed to be 38, right? He got the 69. Supposed to be between 25 and 55. That's what he said. No, 30. He said 35 and 55. Supposed to be between 35 and 55. 35, 55. This nigga got 69. 69. How you get 69? I don't know.
So I messed up my AC system.
He messed it up badly, apparently.
So we're gonna have to ride without AC. So we're gonna go to Wawa's and grab a cool drink.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I was gonna say ask him to help, but
Nah.
he gonna charge, don't he? Don't they charge?
No, I don't even think they can help. And anyways, it's already above like 60 PSI. So I mean, that junk, I'm gonna just have to then I'll have to get into AC compressor, bro. Why you on your windows up?
I don't know. But
We don't got no AC, man. But you know what we do got?
Just drive fast.
We got speed.
Just drive fast.
We got speed. Oh!
There's no handle.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting. Why do they make cars with no handle? That should be
For
illegal.
reasons like that. Oh, okay. Hey, it's cool outside. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So it said 84, but it feels like 90.
So YouTube, we got a problem.
You're not supposed to hold your phone like you're supposed to do it sideways.
Thought you was finna be like, I'm not supposed to hold my phone because 12.
Oh,
So,
I don't care about cops.
You don't care about cops, bro? You're on camera saying that.
Alright, shit. I'm gonna tell you they like this, you feel me? When cops start killing random people, not even black, just random people for no reason. And I understand you gotta arrest certain people, but you got tasers and you don't gotta use excessive force for everybody. Until that start happening, then I will respect every cop in the nation. But right now, it's like, my life only met like three cool cops in my whole life. And one of them I went to school with, bro. And only reason he was cool because he his wife was black, so he already knew what was up.
Oh yeah, the officer.
Yeah, so that's one of them. So only met 3 cool cops.
For real, bro.
That's how it is.
That's how it is, man. So look, man, we ready to go get some cold water, man, cause
Get some water.
yeah, the AC not, you know what I'm saying? The AC is not AC.
Yeah, you feel me?
The AC is not AC. Wait, let me try it.
You just roll down there.
We go try the
Why
AC. Listen, man, the car's messed up, all right?
I tried to roll up the window like 3 times.
So, dang, bro. Now we ain't got no AC, man.
It feels better than this.
No, it doesn't. Why are you lying to the people, man?
I'm not lying.
Look, listen.
I'm being honest, gang.
It's supposed to be my first. Should we keep it or not, man? I don't know.
The Camaro?
What's up, man?
What's up? Shoot, me personally.
That's the guy I used to work with, too. That's crazy.
Bro.
Oh,
Oh, it feels amazing in here.
feels like how my AC is supposed to feel.
Your AC is supposed to feel like that. It's just something messed up in your tubes.
Nah, because my blender is acting up anyway, so it might be the blender and the AC compressor.
You think gotta take the whole thing out?
Pretty much. Well, yeah, and I think the AC compressor is like $600, bro.
Never mind.
So, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you.
How you get that effect on your camera? Cause your camera's
Cinematic.
You didn't record a cinematic?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna try that. Oh, this found a new way to record. And alright, so Milo was stuck at a red light.
Shit.
He decides he gets stuck at a red light, right? And instead of waiting, this nigga just speeds and spills my water all over my shorts. Now I look like I'm peeing myself.
Lying, people. So, I've come to the determination that, we don't need AC recharge.
Why you say
We
that?
need an AC compressor. Look, it says, system is low refrigerant, continue 5-step the recharge process, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's already filled up. So I already have AC coolant in the lines. It's messed up now, so.
So what do you need though?
AC compressor.
How much? Where you get that from? Yeah, how much is that?
Yeah, that junk's not moving. I need an AC compressor.
That's great. That's just great.
That's great.
AC
That
compressor.
is just great. It is not moving whatsoever.
So how much is that?
I'm about to look now.
A wonderful world. I ain't gonna lie. It's a beautiful day in here. So all the people that's trying to make it out in them tough situations, feel me? Trust in God, you feel me? Not even on no cornball. Like, I actually try to get a relationship with God, you feel me? Try to talk to God, minister with God, feel me? Shoot. Because I wasn't even supposed to make it past 18. I ain't gonna lie. What's up? Because the stuff I was doing, getting into, you feel me? I ain't gonna say like I jumped off the porch or woo-doo-doo. It was just all situation based. Because I moved a lot. So you know when you move a lot, you got a new surrounding, new people. Sometimes I ain't want to talk to people, so a lot of people ain't know me in one area. The one area I was cool with certain people in the hood, and you feel me? It's just like that. Like I moved to like 7 areas, cities. Like shoot, I ain't gonna lie, I'm from Richmond, so I stayed in Richmond, Henrico, Chesterfield, Charlottesville, a little bit Norfolk, a little bit Virginia Beach, Hopewell, a little bit, some other places. So you feel me? Hold up, my boy calling. Hold up.
Figured out what the problem was. The AC compressor was not moving. So yeah, I got to spend $500 on the AC compressor.
I forgot what I was talking about. I was talking about something.
You was talking about like your walking stuff.
Oh yeah, you're walking. Like yeah, just talk to God. You feel me? Cause I live everywhere, and I've been through so much. I did a lot of stuff. I ain't gonna say because I ain't gonna say it. Ain't none of your business. But it's just, and it's like, I would have been there. I got shot at. I never got stabbed though. Not by a knife at least. But, you know, you feel me? Like little forks and stuff like that. Stuff like that. I got stabbed like that.
Forks, yeah.
And
Yeah, got stabbed with spoon.
But,
With a spoon.
now I got hit upside the head with a spoon though. Them joints hurt.
I got whooped by them diamond belts.
I got whooped by a buckle before. But shoot, what the? So yeah.
What up, Lindsay?
Lindsay Lohan. Anyway, I just want to say, I have a relationship with a guy because I ain't know I was gonna make it past 18. Now I'm finna be 22 and I got my own apartment and some more. You feel me? So God can change anybody. He definitely changed me. So I say take it. Cause what you gotta lose, bro? You only live once. And some of them people that they shot 18 times. You lived a whole lot of times.
Like Cat Williams. He got shot 9 times. No, that was
50 Cent.
50 Cent, yeah. Shout out to Cat Williams too.
I was talking about Seafood. He got shot 17 times.
Who is Seafood?
This comedian dude.
Why is his name Seafood?
That's the wrong question. I don't know. Alright, so we here. We out here. What's up, little dude? What's your name, bro? Danny. What's up, dog? I'm finna record my boy Danny. So you wanna be in the video?
Bro.
Depends on what? Ain't nothing else going on.
I'm about to say, bro, they not even doing no burnouts, no nothing. Ain't nothing else going on.
Like, they just looking at each other.
What?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Bro,
we need one of those takeovers like we did at
they said it might
VCU.
turn into a takeover, but I'm like,
Hey, bro, if it comes to a takeover, bro, we gotta do one of them joints like you did at VCU. But people are just leaving and coming back, bro. I ain't know. I ain't gonna lie.
you know what? You know what, MJ? Hop in the shopping cart.
You hop in the shower car.
Yeah. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it still. You gotta hold it still. Alright, where we going?
I don't know. Hold my phone too.
God dang, ain't nothing else going on.
Oh, don't forget to vlog my phone.
Oh, shit. Huh?
Pay for what?
Oh, no, it was right there.
Oh, about like $1.50.
$1.50. Nah, ain't no. I cook, I clean,
You know
I can sing you songs. Bro, take me that way.
I ain't trying to kill you. You at least put a helmet on.
I don't have a. Oh, I got. What the? No, we're not doing anything else. No.
I'm gonna burn you up.
No, wait. No. AJ, just wait.
Wait for
Just let's think about the consequences of your actions.
Remember that time?
All right, so now look what you did.
You know what I was thinking?
What?
Let's go like let's get a car and like go. There's Ken.
No, there's Kim right there. Hey, Kim. No, go this way. MJ, go this way. MJ, you gotta. That's a living person.
He's still living.
This is what we do, people. This is what we do when car meets is boring. Hey, Ken. What up, man?
All right, can you catch? No. Can you catch? Huh? Can you catch? Yeah. All right, come on. Got it. Come on. It's up the hill.
Up the hill.
Yeah, because you was up the hill.
Oh. Let's see the boat. There you go, MJ. There you go. So, Ken, man, what you doing all day, man? Talk to the vlog.
been getting better. Oh, you know where it's coming in? Hold up.
So how you feel in the shopping cart?
You know, just met these people, but they're
First time you been in the shopping cart?
Yeah, no, but
You ask her if it's her first time being.
I don't know.
Bro, why is that?
Bro, he's the best person here, bro.
Yo, he going fast.
Zoom.
Yo, I would record him. This is content right here.
He's had fun till he hit one rock.
Why would he hit a rock?
Shoot, why he put a motor on a bike? Look at that. That's a 6-speed bike. See? That is sad. That is better than all car. I'm gonna ride that jump.
No key.
But as soon as you said something, it said something. How long you been in the shopping cart for, bro?
I just put her in the shopping cart.
yeah, I just got here.
I'm trying to see if I can sell her.
Oh, what?
Yeah, we're
Huh?
filming
Huh?
our own diary.
Your own diary.
I heard something about selling.
The
I need some money, gang.
Oh, no.
selfie stick.
We don't need it.
I'll break bread with you.
Diary.
I give you 20%.
20%?
You ain't do nothing for her, but you know, you caught her, maybe. You
So if
step.
you go all the way down the hill and I push her down, you gonna catch her?
Oh, I want to try that. Hold on.
Well, what's happening? I need contact.
I might die. Hey. Hey. I don't know how I'm gonna catch it. Hold up. Let me not break my camera.
Ready, bro?
No.
Alright, good enough.
You suck, man.
So anticlimactic.
I mean, I'm sorry. Alright.
You know what we can do? I can
Alright.
go on my car and I can push her in the. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I know what we can do. Alright. Somebody gotta drive, and she gotta hold on to it.
No, okay, that's dangerous.
Absolutely not.
You never tried that before?
I have.
MJ,
Yeah.
MJ, if it
Oh,
was
you
on
got
like
a rope?
It was on like
You got a rope or something? Like something we can hook the jump to?
No.
Man, yeah.
I don't
MJ,
have
you're
nothing, bro.
You got a helmet? See, they like it. They didn't even try to help you one time.
They're entertained. They're
Now,
entertained.
how would you feel if I took this cart, held on to a car, and drove with while in the car?
I think she liked that idea. I don't know about her.
She's laughing because she wants to see me get hurt. She's being.
Alright, so this is how it happened, right? You get like a rope, you feel me? Put the rope on the jump.
Did it die?
Oh, I don't got no rope. Probably him. He was a mechanic. He probably got rope.
I don't got nothing, bro.
God.
You gotta ask.
Ken might got rope. I don't know for what. He got everything in the car.
I got.
Ken, you got rope.
That's about it.
Hey.
I don't know. You might go on an adventure
Why
one
is your
day.
shoelace on the ground?
Oh my God. Dang. Dang. Now you sad. Look at him. You sad now, bro.
Alright, that's a little better. You feel
What you
me?
gotta say now?
Spick and span.
Oh, there goes the crew again.
You gotta make sure you're looking at these cameras.
Okay.
Now try. Now hold
Yeah,
the
Milo.
top line.
Alright, man. So we training 1-on-1, man. You know what I'm saying?
Learn it from me.
Learn it from the
But
best.
this right here, bro.
That right there is fire.
I have no clue.
I have no
He probably
clue.
all the way around here. This guy asks people, are you the owner of this?
Nice.
That M235 is finna smoke us, bruh. Bro,
High-end said he got it.
huh?
Said he got it. High-end said he got it.
He does it. That's an M235. Are they tuned?
I think they have some kind of burble on it. That's all I know.
This gonna be interesting.
I'm down.
Bruh, nah. I'm down with it, man. Are we going? We're going on the highway, right? Alright.
How you feel back to be in the game?
I don't know. I don't know, man.
seatbelt on, y'all bugging.
Hey, we do a 30. We do a 30. Nah, I don't want the gap. Y'all got, bro, it's an M235i. I'm not racing that. I'm not racing that. I'm trying to race him over here because I have a winning chance. We doing a roll? I'm in NATO. Alright, you good. Alright, we can do a roll. We can do a roll.
She's trying to do a roll too.
I'm going to lose regardless to you anyways.
That's what I be saying.
Bro, nah, it won't even burn now. Like, what the fuck? Alright, you ready? Nah, we can do a roll. God damn, he burned me!
Damn.
God, nah. I told you I wasn't gonna win. Damn. God, MJ. No.
Feel about that performance? No comment? No comment.
It was an M235i that was possibly tuned in the tuned GTI. I'm not winning against that. Now if I get a 328i and tune that, then yeah, I'll win. I'll win all the time.
Look like we gotta get a 328.
No, we gotta get a 340. That's what I'm.
Let's get the 3,000.
There's no.
We're gonna make one.
I don't know. I don't know about y'all.